have like, I saved one. I have a very high credit score. Okay, so it comes in handy. But I put it on. I kept my Jeep for now. So I saved a healthy amount. You know, a healthy amount. Well, no, it's hard to answer that question. All right. I'd have to run it against somebody who didn't have a good credit score. So if I had to say that, maybe I'm saving 500 every 6 months. Okay. Non-smoker credit, you don't smoke, you want that credit on your homeowners. Retired, you want the credit. Alarm credits, all these fancy cars have lots of fancy anti-theft things there. OnStar, you name it. Okay. Paid in full discount. That's gotten to be a big thing. You pay it in full, you're going to save a good $100 on the renewal. Most policies are 6 months at this point. You can save like $200 a year. All right. If I have you with Progressive, you could save $400 in premium by paying it in full. They're still higher though, generally, but you could save that much. If you have a lien holder, Travelers will actually charge you more money. Hard to believe, but they do. All right, Penn doesn't, and I don't think Progressive does.